Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the sleep timer on the music player application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen, and you can find the sleep timer option under the equalizer button. Click that, and you can set a time interval, and if you don't, just click to the start button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.